Hey everybody, my name's Eddie. I'm an expert witness and an expert consultant in the uniform rental industry. The name of my company is Uniform Bright. I help companies that are having business owners that are having issues with uniform rental companies that don't want to abide by the terms of the contract and give quality products and quality service. And so I help them. Right now we're talking about Alsco contract cancellation. That's what we're talking about. Alsco is a big company. They're a publicly traded company, and therefore they have to make revenue. If they have to make revenue every quarter and they give their quarterly earnings, well, then they're going to have to give price increases as well. And those price increases are going to affect the business owners. So a lot of times, they're not getting service correctly. There's poor quality, depending on the area that you're in. There's some good areas and there's some bad areas. There's good managers and there's bad managers. If you just happen to get a bad manager and a bad driver and you're getting bad service, then I can help you. And there's ways you can do about it. There's a case in point. I was just recently in West Hollywood with an aerospace machinist paying about $1,000 a week to Aramark. And they didn't know how to cancel. They've been trying to cancel for over a year. Well, I came in and I documented over 55 deficiencies. And they were taking their time. Week after week, I was notifying, you still haven't fixed this, you still haven't fixed that, with emails and logs and just tracking all of the, on a separate log, tracking all of the communications that I was having with them, having copies of all the emails and the text messages. I reported on site and I provided declarations. I sent out stuff to a laboratory to get tested. And how many people know that when you have that DNA evidence or you have that video, that's like a smoking gun. And that's what we do. We create a perfect way to cancel the contract when you're having issues with your uniform rental provider. Don't stick with them just because you have a bad service. There is an alternative. There's a way to get past that. Call me. Let's talk about it. Send me a copy of your contract. Send me a copy of your invoice, and I'll see what I can do. Let me see if we can help you. It's no obligation. Just call me up, and we'll talk, and we'll see what we can do. All right. Well, I hope to see you. Like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos on how, even if you don't have enough money to pay for my services, well, then you'll still be able to learn and learn some tips on how to better manage the uniform rental companies. Okay. So we'll talk to you soon. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.